In this guide, I will be showing you guys how to fix Surfshark not connecting. Let's get started. First thing you want to do is completely close the app and relaunch it. This might sound basic, but it's very effective because it clears temporary glitches, resets background processes, and rebuilds the secure connection from scratch. Make sure you completely close the app, not just minimize it. After you close the app, right-click on your taskbar, select the option Task Manager. Now from here, find Surfshark. Once you find it, right-click on it and select the option End Task. Once you do that, close this, then again relaunch the app. This might fix your issue. Next, if it still does not connect, the next step is to change the server. Sometimes a specific server might be overloaded, under maintenance, or blocked. So open the server list and choose a different location. For better stability, pick a nearby country or city or use options like fastest server or nearest location. If available, then try connecting again. If one server does not work, try another until you find one that connects smoothly. You can even favorite it for future use. And that's it. This way you can easily fix Surfshark not connecting. If this guide helped you out, do not forget to like, share, and subscribe.